everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to import text file to the active cell with Kutools for Excel. If you want to import one text file to a specific cell or range, you can apply Kutools for Excel's Insert File at Cursor utility. Select a cell you want to import the text file. Click the Kutools Plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click the Import and Export drop-down list and select Insert File at Cursor. Then a dialog pops out. Click the Browse button to display the Select a file to be inserted at the cell cursor position dialog. Next, select the text files from the drop-down list and then choose the text file you want to import. Click the Open button and next click the OK button, and the specified text file has been inserted at the cursor position. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.